How to disable fake messages in NGL app. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable the fake messages in your NGL application. You know how you can install the NGL app, right? You can install it by simply going on the Google Play Store or the App Store on your device. If you go there, then you can simply type NGL and install the latest version of it. After that, you might paste it somewhere and get some of the messages, but you also get the annoying and fake messages sometimes. So how do you not suffer from this? So to do that, first of all, you can either tap on play or inbox, does not matter. By tapping on inbox, you will see the messages that you have got. Now just tap on setting option because we want to off the fake messages. Go on the setting option, you will see many options right here. So there is the option of love messages on the preferences section. When you turn it on, the fake messages will be on. And when you turn it off, it will be turned off and the NGL fake messages won't be visible and nobody can send that kind of messages on your NGL application. So I just offed it and it won't happen to me. So if you want also on your and you want to use it, then just turn that off and your problem will be solved just like that. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment in our comment section below.